What it do, baby? Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another episode, and today we are doing some more cosmetic mods. We have a task list of 3 things that need to get done, 3 major things, which include putting on the front lip, which we got from LMR, finishing off doing the back half into black, and then filling in these letters with some silver billet lettering. So that is the plan for today. A lot to get done. It's around 4:30, I believe, 3:30, but we need to just grind. So once again, a lot of time lapse. Put you guys down, let you enjoy the show. We're just going to start here, keep it nice and simple, and then just get rolling. So enjoy it, narrate when necessary. As far as I could tell, I took the seats out because we're going to be reupholstering those next, but just the way that the whole entire interior matches really makes me happy. So. Alright, so we're doing a quick interruption. I got everything painted all black and looking good, so here's where we're at and what we need to get done before the rest of the episode is finished. First things first is I actually need to clean up the back window, so it's hard to tell from this side. Maybe you could see from the inside. Not really, but what happened is when I painted the sides, a little paint got on the back. I'm not too concerned about it because a little WD-40, a razor blade, or not a razor blade, and a paper towel or towel will get that right off, so not too concerned about that. Secondly is just attacking this big mess of an interior. I've had to throw a couple things in here as storage really quickly. What we're going to do with this is we saw me bring out pieces that we need to get on. A lot of it is the back trim going up there, and then the next thing I want to do is clean everything out so that way all that's left to put in is the seats so we could drive this car afterwards. So the seats are being worked on right now, and then once that's done we'll be able to drive the car, which is great. Then as a final touch to reward you guys for watching, we're going to put some spaces on this car and really fill out the gaps because as you guys saw in that last video, pretty bad offset gap with these wheels. And I know if you guys are wondering a little confused why it all of a sudden jumped from bad wheels to these wheels, it's because something happened. I actually made another episode in between and forgot to finish it up, so we're finishing it now. Anyway, once again, usual time lapse. Let's go ahead and set the camera down, get that back window cleaned up, and get this back trim in. So we got the interior all back together now and it's looking really good. Like it needs badly needs a vacuum, but it does look really good. So here's where we're at with it. As I said, needs a vacuum. Everything's taken out. That just has screws for a lot of the other parts that need to go back in. So I'm leaving that there for now. Got the black carpet, black door panels, black interior, and now the back half is black too to match. Seats again are being worked on, they'll come in now, so that's really it. Vacuum's really bugging me. I did steal floor mats out of my dad's old, or not old, but it's Passat that he has. He didn't use them, they're sitting around in the garage, so they're mine now. Anyway, let's go ahead and do some more fun stuff and get the spacers on so we can get the car looking really good with the wheels actually filling out the arches. Alright, so I was going to do all four sides and show you guys, but I got to show you the difference really quickly because it looks so much better right now. So this is the old side where you have this awful gap where it's just stuck super far, and even on the front it's not perfect, but it's also not very good. But this is how it is on the other side. It looks so much better. Just look at that gap fitment right there. It's a little high up, but even so, it's perfect. And on the front, same story. It's just perfect right there. Honestly, I am a little disappointed with how high the back is still. I mean, it's quite monster truck fitment, and even on the front, but I haven't driven the car since I put on the new lowering spring, so I'm hoping that it'll settle down a little bit, because if not, that's a little bit of a disappointment, but still, hey, I still think it looks a lot better as a whole either way. That just looks so much better. I love the way that it's all filled out now and not all looking weird. I'm so happy with this. I do again wish the fitment was a little better there, but hey, what can you do? So that is good enough. And next thing we all have to do is just put the seats back in, and honestly it's just being able to drive it. So can't wait, we're getting so close. And that's where we're gonna end this one today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please check out the Patreon links below. I'm trying to figure out what car to get next, and I'm running through a bunch of ideas. So if you join, you can help me figure that out, or also on Instagram. I think I posted this one to their ideas. And I do post updates on the cars I'm looking at, cars I go and look at. I've already went and seen a couple, but if you want to know about those, check out the Patreon links. Anyway, other than that, don't forget to do the usual, dislike, unsubscribe, leave your hit in the comments, guys. Bye.